Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb, year 2012 government past question. Question number 13. Question 13 says the rule of law is negation of dash. The rule of law is negation of dash. Negation means the application, the real application of rule of flow, and the word negation means what it does not entails. So option A say equality before the law, B say supremacy, C say limited power, then D say absolute power. The rule of law, as purported by AV, Professor AV, Dicey, said that the rule of law is a negation of absolute power, because the rule of law does not warrant anybody with ultimate power, because there is equality before the law, everybody is equal before the law, supremacy of the law, and so on. So it is the negation of power. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.